Hi, everyone. My name is Soraj. I am a co-founder of Symbiosis. Symbiosis is a cloud provider based out of Stockholm. We just joined the Sting program, which is one of the oldest accelerators in Sweden, and are super excited to be part of it. We received some funding and are now on a path for growth. We're a cloud service provider that's optimized for Kubernetes. So we offer a managed Kubernetes service to developers and small companies, and sometimes medium-sized companies who can use our service to host local environments, developer environments, and production environments. We're a faster alternative and a cheaper alternative to the likes of AWS and Google Cloud. And currently it's 3 people on the team. 2 of us are here in Stockholm out of the Sting office in the center of the city, and 1 person working remotely from the Netherlands. And we are looking for interns to join us who have experience in development. Specifically, the languages that we work with are Golang, Kotlin, Spring Boot, React, Next.js, or if you have experience in Kubernetes, that's also appreciated. We have a product roadmap on our existing product and also new features that we're going to be building out. So we need support on building both of those things. And we're also pushing out new content quite regularly around Kubernetes and around the Kubernetes and cloud ecosystem. And I think the person that we're going to look for, or hopefully the one who joins us, also would require some sort of capabilities in being able to write that technical content in addition to contributing to the product roadmap. In terms of company, we're just 3 people, so super lean. Everything is really casual. There are no formal types of processes, so a bit of a chaotic environment, but probably something that where you would learn quite a bit and get hands-on exposure into company building from day one. Because we're still very new, we're going to be going for a bigger fundraise later on in the year. So you'll also get exposure to what it's like to work at a really, really early stage startup that is competing with the likes of startups that are coming out of the Silicon Valley. So we're in for a good time. We are, it's a hybrid remote / in-person type of environment. So a couple of days a week, we're in the office in Stockholm, and the rest of the time we're working remotely using tools like Slack and Notion. Just that's how we collaborate with each other. We do stand-ups on the daily at 10 a.m. I don't think there's an expectation of joining those every day, but there will be kind of regular touch points with the person who's leading the engineering side, one of my co-founders. And when we're in the office, we also do lunches together and sometimes go for drinks after work. So it would be cool to have you as part of that as well. And then, of course, also exposure to the broader kind of Sting community and the people that are here in the office. Also some interns and also the rest of the companies that are part of the Sting program that you would get exposure to. In terms of what we're looking for from an experience perspective, ideally someone who has done an internship before, or maybe you've worked on your own projects, but really development experience is what we're looking for. It doesn't matter if you worked at a company or if you just built your own side projects. Whatever you can share with us would be quite useful. And we can move through the interview process quite quickly because we're really looking for interns to join us immediately as we need quite some support now.